Hi, my name is AC Cluster P. De La Torre, and my topic is Career System of the Philippine Service. Objective: the objective of a civil service system vary from one country to another, but they generally share common goals. In the context of many countries, including the Philippines, the objectives of civil service typically include best employment, efficient public administration, impartiality, professional development, public service orientation, accountability, transparency. What is career system of civil service? The career system of civil service refers to the structure and policies governing the employment, advancement, and management of individuals in the public sector, particularly within government agencies and departments. The key features of a career system civil service typically include merit-based employment to ensure the recruitment, selection, and promotion within the civil service are based on merit, qualification, and competence rather than political patronage or favoritism. Efficient public administration to promote an efficient and effective function of government agencies, ensuring that they deliver public service in a timely and cost-effective manner. Partiality to maintain the neutrality and impartiality of the civil service, ensuring that civil servants carry out their duties without bias, political influence, or discrimination. Professional development to support continuous learning and professional development among civil servants, ensuring that they have the necessary skill and knowledge to perform their roles effectively. Public service orientation to instill a strong commitment to public service and a focus on serving the best interests of the public. Accountability to hold civil servants accountable for their action and decision, ensuring that they are responsible for their conduct and performance. Transparency to promote transparency in government operation and decision making, making information accessible to the public when possible. Reduction of corruption to minimize corruption within the civil service by implementing anti-corruption measures and ensuring ethical conduct among civil servants. Conclusion. In conclusion, the career system of civil service is a fundamental component in government operation in many countries. It is designed to ensure a professional, efficient, and merit-based workforce that serves the public interest. Key aspects of the civil service career system include merit-based recruitment, competitive examination, job clarification, career progression, job security, ethical standards, and a focus on efficient government operations. Psalm verse 46. God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. Therefore we will not fear, though the earth give way, and the mountains fall in the heart of the sea, though its water roar and foam, and the mountains quake with their surging.